Chuck.
Our car broke down and that place could draw heated.
Sir.
The Prussian took my car and gave me this machine and he said, you will go to Cop H.
Sir, you're kidding so much. You're so funny. Oh my God.
My anus is so sore.
Sir, you're so funny.
Will you please make the Prussians stop?
Chuck, enough with the kidding. You're going to stop and tell the guys where we are? Where we are, sir.
You know where we really are?
Sir, we were in Drogheda.
And then
Where the fuck are we now?
We are now in the People's Republic of Ireland, known as Cork. It's next to Cop H, down from Yonkers, down away from Connemara. This is where the people have got red and white freaking hair. Check it out, man. I'm a Corkonian.